Look at that beauty. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a case for the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now this case is brought to you by Ringke. Now this is their Fusion X design case and this is the camel black version. You can pick this up for $10.99 with Prime shipping on Amazon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this and see what this case is all about. I absolutely love Ringke cases. They look gorgeous, especially these black ones, these camel black ones, and the shine from the phone just make the case and the phone together pop. So you do get a 20% off Amazon coupon for these accessories here as well, and in the front, so you can take a look and see if you like any of those accessories and you'll get 20% off. Bam! And it tells you how to remove the protective film from the case here, and it tells you to remove it from here. You do have a little space there available for you to peel back. And the second one, I don't know what happened, but they put two of them in there and made it a little bit difficult to remove. But look at this case, it absolutely looks gorgeous. Compared to the free case that you get from Samsung, which one would you rather rock? I'd rather rock this one. For $10.99, bam, it doesn't get better than that. Let's go ahead and place the device inside the case, and wow, bam, look at that. That camel black case looks absolutely fantastic. You can still see a little bit of the Samsung branding there, but what you can see is the Ringke branding there, and you got all this rugged design and lay it on the table protection when you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. And along with that, you do have a substantial amount of lip protection around that camera lens there, so no worries when laying your phone on its back on a flat surface. That camera lens is also protected, and on the front you have the same protection around that display. Look at that lip protection all around. Let's get this lit so you can see it all around that front of the display. Now because this has a flat display, you are getting it all around, so no problems when putting your phone face down on a flat surface. Nothing's gonna happen. Your screen is protected. Now the buttons are covered and textured, which Samsung didn't texture, but they are nice and clicky and very responsive. There's absolutely no issues when pressing these buttons, and very soft to press too, so it's not hard to press, very soft. And the volume up and down, as you can see, they're easily pressed just like the power button itself. Bam, this actually feels good. I can't stop pressing this. You can actually hear the click. So that's a good thing about this case, because Samsung did not texturize, did not put textured on the buttons itself. But if with this case, you can distinguish between the power button there, because it is textured, and your volume rocker. On the top of the case, we do have that cutout for the mic, and it's nice and precise, no issues there. On the left of the phone, we have nothing, but we do have a spot just in case you want to put a lanyard there. On the bottom, all your ports are nice and accessible. You do have your speaker, your mic, charging port, and you do have a headphone jack there. Let's get a charging cord here real quick just to see that it actually works, and the case does not interfere with plugging any third-party charging cables there. As you can see, boom, looks good. Now I don't have a headphone jack, but you do have a substantial amount of cutout around that headphone jack. So if your headphone plug-in is a little bit on the thicker side, I don't think you should have any issues with this phone. Now this phone does not have wireless charging, so we are not gonna test that at all. There you have it, guys. This is the Ringke Fusion X design case, camel black. They do have other variants available. They have just a black one with a no print, just a clear black on the back side, and they do have a blue one, space blue. These are available on Amazon for $10.99 with Prime shipping. It doesn't get better than that. great case for the Samsung Galaxy A71. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.